side?
Same thing you did.
Okay. Here he comes.
Perfect. Go, driver.
Hard driver. Boy, that limited slip is tight in the back.
Whoa. You might have to back up a smidge to get a better hit on it. Oh, that'll work.
Hold on, you're
On your axle.
Okay. You're going to have to go slightly that way to hit this point. So I wouldn't go back. Just turn right.
Yeah.
I don't think he's trying to go back.
Turn right.
A little bit.
There you go.
A little more. Nope. You got to go a little more. Back up. Okay. Back up a little more. Okay. Turn hard right. Hard right. There you go.
Oh, man.
Sorry.
Oh, you're okay.
All right. There you go. Straight.
Go more right, Spencer. Hey, Spencer, go more right and get his tire on that and then turn left. You have the clearance to clear that. Go more right.
You go more right.
Uh-huh.
I think Jeff, yeah, right tire here. I think Jeff's left better here.
Put your right tire.
Turn left.
Go,
Mason.
driver.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
That's how you went. Man, that's hard to do.
Good driving, Mason.
No, you just come up, Mason. Just go ahead.
Trying to get on the flat.
Put your left.
Right tire on that right there, and your left tire over here.
One? That one right there? That's
Yeah,
pretty
your
far
driver
over.
tire is going to be kind of like right here.
That's way too far over, bud.
It's going to be there.
Oh, don't go back anymore. There you go. There you go.
You can go sideways.
Go ahead.
Go.
Right.
What? Man, that was it.
You were so close, but you slid right off.
Go a little bit more.
You can come a little more this way. The problem is your tire's not getting it.
Go more driver. You need more driver.
Driver.
Tell him what to do.
Right there.
Good job.
Come in. Straight. Oh, stop.
That's what I was afraid of.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get him on this side, then.
Good job.
But you got a left there, then you got to go sideways.
No, he goes left. He goes left when he gets up there.
Like this,
Well, hold on.
calls up that
You
ledge.
want me to winch him?
No, you know what I mean? You go farther right and he can crawl
Yeah,
that
that's
ledge.
what you want to do. I can winch you out,
I
but
can winch him. I've already got my Jeep up here.
oh, true.
Is it just going to push me this way?
That's
Yeah,
the problem.
problem is it's sliding you over here.
And if you get up here, I'm concerned about you getting on the side and then coming off that ledge and flipping.
Yeah.
I wish I could have, did we do it because we don't
Hey,
have
Dad.
standard?
You can
Dad.
turn hard driver and try
He's
it.
not hitting that ledge. You hit the...
I'm saying he goes up here and gets sideways here.
Yeah.
It's a little scary if he slips off the backside.
But this is a lot flatter up there than this is right
Think
here.
about his rear tire coming off of there sideways.
Uh-huh.
That's my concern. We can try it.
I think try it one time.
Here.
Go hard right.
Try it one time, good luck.
Go hard right.
Yeah, go hard right
Back
now.
over there.
No, you cut left before you hit the big ledge.
Okay, put his left tire on this knob here.
Correct. Correct.
To the right of that knob there.
I think he can do that.
Go
Go left, left, left.
Hard.
Oh, you're okay. You're talented. Hard left.
Hard left.
Yeah.
Right.
Go. There we go. Yeah.
Way to go, Mason.